Hey people, what's up? Welcome back to DevWall, and in this video we are going to be creating bouncing balls. Something like this, right there. Yes guys, we are going to be creating this from CSS start to finish, and these balls are really going to bounce just the way they are currently, and it's actually not any hard work. It's really easy. So let's start building this thing up. Alright then, we need an HTML file and a CSS file. Shift 1, enter, tab, and backspace. So you get to the title, and here you have to simply change the title to whatever you want. I'm going to say bounce, yeah. And just above it, you have to give the link to your CSS. There it goes. And inside your body is seriously simple, guys. And UL, inside that an li. I'll explain everything in the CSS. And then Alt Shift down. So that's 5 times down and save. So once you save it, I'll have to reload here. I don't know why. But yeah, so we've got that ugly balls. We're gonna make them look good now. Excellent, beautify them right there. And right there. So in our CSS, let's start. Asterisk selects the whole website, and in there M0, P0. That's gonna make margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing to be border box. Something basic that almost all of you should have on your websites. Then we'll go for our body. There we can give height to be 100 VH. Inside that, display flex, align item center, justify content center, display flex right there. And the last thing that I would be giving is a BG color, that's background color, and we're going to use something else. That's going to be RGB 37, 37, 37, and I'm going to save. Yeah, so here this is how it looks. It looks good. Maybe we're going to make it more good. And let's select our UL and give it a display flex. And list styles to be none. Right there. And inside that we just want to give a border bottom, but I'll do that afterwards, not now. And finally our ULLI. Here also we are going to give a display flex right there. And actually I'm just going to reload it again. Oh no, wait, I forgot to save. So when I save, most probably we should be looking at a better version here. While nothing is to be seen right there. And now we have to set up a width to them. That's going to be 40 pixels width, and height is also going to be 40 pixels. Right. And don't forget your BG color. I'm going to set it to white for now. Right there, I'm going to set it to white. And the last thing I'm going to do is, okay, not the last, border radius to be 50%, 50, right there. And a margin to be 0 pixels dash 10 pixels right there. I'll go for that, and I'll just save. Oh my god, we've got some. Okay, right there. Okay, this looks good. We've got the balls. Now let's make them bounce, but before that I'm gonna give here an animation for them to bounce. Animation, and I'm gonna say BONCE. But wait, we have to create this BUNC. Don't think that CSS is so good that it will create itself. So 1 second and infinite. So we want it to be keep on bouncing. And don't forget your linear right there. Now creating this animation is really easy still. Keyframes, and then give the animation name that you've called add keyframes and animation, and inside that you just basically give some percentages. So at this stage what has to happen, at this stage what has to happen, and at 100%, that's when the animation ends, what is to be the final state of the thing. Okay, now inside our 0%, what I'll do is I'll give it a transform translate x, because we have to bounce up, actually it's y, yeah, and I'm gonna give a 0. What I'm gonna do is copy this sentence because it's gonna be in all right there, and I'm gonna keep on coming, paste it here, keep on coming and paste it here. So at 100% we just want it to be at 0, but in our 50 percentage, where we haven't write the percentage, let's just do that quickly, yeah, we just want it to go up, bounce, so minus 150, don't forget the pixel, and save. So now if you look, all of them are bouncing at the same time. So to make each bounce at different time, what we can do is scroll down, yeah, and I'm gonna go for ul li colon nth and nth dash child, and give it number 1. Inside here I'm gonna give animation delay, right? So animation delay is basically, it delays the animation to a particular number of that you give. I'm gonna give it 0.3 seconds to delay here, right there. So now you see the first ball is bouncing a bit late. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go at the end of this line and do Alt Shift down down down. That's gonna be okay. Yeah, so here we have to just change the things, so it's gonna be zipping. Pretty strange. I'm gonna go with 5, 2, 4, and yeah, I guess that's 1. So all of them bounce at different times, hopefully. And okay, so we can just go up, and now we can also do one thing here in our animation delay, just format the code a bit. Yeah, so okay, I'm gonna save. Well, no change, right? And the last thing is just add a BG color. So this is optional. I'm doing it to make it look better, and I'm going to just go with normal blue, black and white. I mean blue, yellow, orange and red and green. I'm going to just paste it all the way on all of them. Right. Okay, we didn't format the last one properly. Yeah, so first one's gonna be blue, second one can be orange, the third one can be red. Oh no, not red, we just had orange, so I'm gonna go with that. And then red, yellow. Very simple. I'm gonna save. So different colors, right? And now I'll give you the border bottom that I told you about, and we'll have to align for it. So it's gonna be border bottom. It's gonna be 10 pixels. So it basically creates a line between them, which looks like a surface where they are bouncing. So 10 pixels solid, and here I'm gonna give a green. You might be thinking that we have a color green, so how it looks, just see. Yep, not that good. So I'm gonna hover over it and we get this palette, and I like creating a neonish cyan and blue color between them here, somewhere here. I go with this one. There. So you can play around with this. If I just increase, this is how it looks. They are huge. Or you can yeah, here. You can increase the time of this, so it takes them time to bounce. Here you go. But yeah, this doesn't look good. I'm gonna go with 1 itself. Or actually, I'll show you something. Let's go with 0.5. Save. Oh my god. So it looks like it's giving us a speed of, I'm gonna go with 1. That looks like actually I'm gonna end at 0.8. Yeah, correct. So let's go with that. So you can even play with this value. You can make it more larger, more less. I can go with 100. So if I save, they won't bounce higher. Let's save that. You can play with the delays, but remember the delay is maximum value. Like if I go with 0.8, you shouldn't extend that. Go with whatever this is, less than that and not more than that. Right. 5. Okay. Yeah guys, so this is how you can create a bouncing ball animation. If you like this video, please like it. If the content was good, subscribe the channel for more content like this. And thank you very much for 50 subscribers. Thank you very much. New content, better content, best content coming up on the channel with more subscribers. So I will see you in the next video.